Hey guys, welcome back to Rack of Lamb. I am back! As you guys may know, I just delivered my second child and took some time off from my channel to recover from my C-section and bond with the little baby. While I'm not 100% yet, I've regained enough energy to cook and film again. So today, I'll be showing you guys how to make a Vietnamese dish that's commonly requested by my other half, Steve, who is part Vietnamese. My mother-in-law cracks up every single time I try to pronounce this dish in Vietnamese, so I'm not even gonna try. But it's for pork chop over vermicelli. It's basically an appetizing noodle salad topped with flavorful pork chops, and it's perfect for the warm weather that's heading our way. I've been wanting to feature this recipe on my channel for quite some time now, so I'm super excited to be sharing it with you guys. Leave me a comment below to share your feedback, and if you enjoyed my content, please like, share, and subscribe. For this dish, you will need 4 pork loin chops. Feel free to use another cut if you wish. Now pound the meat with your knife or meat mallet to tenderize them, and cut 2 to 3 slits on the side to prevent the pork chops from curling during the cooking process. To make the marinade, we are going to need about 3 tablespoons of minced shallots or onions. You'll also need 3 tablespoons of minced lemongrass. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add your minced onion or shallots and lemongrass, as well as 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Mix the ingredients together until well blended. Then pour the mixture over your pork loin chops and marinate overnight, flipping occasionally to coat more thoroughly. Remove the pork chops from the fridge 20 minutes prior to cooking to allow them to return to room temperature. Next, you're going to spray your air fryer basket with some cooking oil. Transfer your pork chops into the basket. Top them with some more cooking oil spray. Then air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes on one side. Then flip the pork chops and air fry for another 5 minutes on the other. Before that, let's coat the other side with some more cooking oil. Keep in mind that air fryers are not made equal, so you may have to adjust your time and temperature depending on the make and model of your air fryer, as well as the size and thickness of your pork chops. When the pork chops are done, place them on a cutting board to rest for 5 minutes. They're glistening and looking succulent already. So while the pork chops were being air fried, I prepared the vermicelli according to package instructions. I transferred a very generous portion onto a plate and topped them off with some mint and basil. Pickled daikon and carrots, for which you can find the recipe for on my channel or blog rackoflam.com. Sliced Persian cucumbers. And your air-fried Vietnamese pork chops. Optionally, you may add some crushed peanuts and chopped scallions. What's not optional is eating this dish with luộc mắm, which is a Vietnamese dipping sauce, or in this case, a salad dressing. This is such a refreshing and appetizing dish. Not only are the colors vibrant, making this entree beautiful to look at, but the flavors will satisfy your palate. I make this dish quite often upon Steve's request. Now you guys can make it at home in a few simple steps. When you're ready to eat, pour some luộc mắm sauce over the dish. Simply mix all the ingredients together like you would with a salad, then dig in. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.